Welcome to Cooking with Bobby Joe. Today we're making another drool-worthy human treat. This recipe is delicious and super easy to make. It's called oven-baked garlic Parmesan Flounder. I'm only making 2 pieces, but you can make as much as you need depending on the size of your family. And to start with, you want to preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Then spread 2 tablespoons of olive oil on the pan or dish that you'll be baking your fish in. You want to rinse your flounder off, pat it dry with some paper towel, place it on the pan. You want to salt and pepper each side. Then I take a pie plate and I add 1/4 cup of Parmesan, 2 tablespoons of gluten-free breadcrumbs. You can leave this out if you want it to be low carb, or you can just use regular breadcrumbs if you want to add those in there. Two cloves of garlic minced, and you want to mix all that together and then press the fish down in it. Make sure you coat both sides of the fish. If there's any extra, you can always place it back on top of the fish and kind of press it down. Okay, then I'm putting a tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice in a dish, and then I'm going to mix that together and I'm going to sprinkle it over the fish. Then you place it in the preheated oven, bake it for 20 minutes or until the fish flakes with a fork. My fish is a little on the thin side, so I probably only need to bake it for about 15 minutes. While that is baking, I'm going to make some garlic Parmesan zucchini as a side dish. And this is super easy to make too. All you do is you get your cast iron skillet, you put it on the stove on medium heat, and put a tablespoon of olive oil in the skillet. And while that is heating, wash the zucchini and slice it up. Now, if you're cooking for more than 2 people, because I'm just cooking for 2 people today, if you're cooking for more than 2 people, you may want to double or triple the recipe. So I just sliced up 1 zucchini, and then I'm also going to peel and I'm going to slice a small Vidalia onion, and I'm going to slice my onions into rings. Now you can slice your onions however you like it. You can leave the onions out if you don't like onion. Then place your onions and 1 clove of minced garlic into the skillet. And I'm going to add in some basil. I usually add oregano too, but I'm out of dried oregano. I need to go out back to my garden and get some oregano. Just mix it all together. After it's cooked for a couple of minutes, then you want to add in the zucchini, and you want to let it cook until it softens. Look at that fish. The fish is looking good. You can also add a little salt and pepper if you want to add that in to give a little more flavor, but with the zucchini, onions, and garlic, it gets a lot of flavor anyway. But I did add a little extra salt and pepper. And once the veggies are soft, you want to sprinkle a little Parmesan over it. I'd say this was probably about 2 tablespoons, but you use however much you really want to use. You don't really have to measure it, just sprinkle it over till it looks good. Okay, now it's time to pull the fish out of the oven, and it sure does smell good. I wish I could share smell over these videos with y'all. Doesn't that look good? So then all you do is you fix your plates and you share it with all your human friends. Now it's time for Steve the food critic to review the meal. He's not a big veggie fan, but he sure does love him some fish.
I got a little lemon on it, a little Parmesan, a little salt and pepper. Am I missing anything?
I put some gluten-free breadcrumbs.
That's the crunchy part, probably. Yeah, that's good. Got a real good flavor to it. That lemon stands out. I like that. That's excellent.
Oh, and garlic.
Yeah.
Parmesan is Parmesan garlic flounder.
Very good. That lemon stands out. It kind of gives it a cool
Zing.
Yeah. Kind of a cool breeze to go with that Parmesan with the breadcrumbs. I guess gives it that crusty, crumbly.
And it's also Parmesan garlic zucchini, but I end up adding onions to it.
Yeah.
Because I like my Vidalia onions.
It's good too.
I didn't put as many veggies on your plate as I did mine. Drool-worthy?
Absolutely. I love the fish.
Alrighty. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the Lake Hill City Birds episode on Friday where I teach you how to make your own bird suet, and we have a new woodpecker trying it out. Have a blessed week. Bye for now.